our jumping jack is not looking great. So Bobby's gonna change out the oil. He's gonna show you how to do that. Alrighty, we're here dealing with this Wacker Neuson. I'm gonna change out the fluids in the bottom. I got this little pluggy right here. She was only like finger tight, so my concern is there's a lot of metal shavings in this oil. Get us a catch pan, make sure we're being clean here. Alright. Boy. You guys can see this. See her swirling in there. You're feeling those are metal shavings. Not exactly what I want. Oh, it's hot. Alrighty. Got her all drained out. Hopefully here pretty soon. I'll be back with some more oil. Get her all changed out, flip her over. Face it down so we can fill it up. I think she was over oiled like there's no tomorrow. So there's a good couple of quarts in there. Stand it up and see where we're at. Alrighty.
Bye everybody, thanks for coming. Bye Mr. Krabs, bye Plankton, bye